Weeks ago I had an issue with check engine light, and I checked it and they showed some kind of I think emissions issue. Anyways, I'm not messing with this. I'm gonna be taking it to the dealer and go from there, but this is annoying or something like that. So took it to the dealer, and of course when I went to the dealer, the check engine light was gone on the dash, but FYI, it keeps a record of it in the system unless you clear it. Didn't clear it, I just kept it there, which is a good thing. So they finally figured it out. They actually sent me a video, which was good. So it was behind, it's kind of hot, so I don't want to burn myself here, but it was behind here, and basically, you can see all the stuff. This part was bad. This is bigger part. This is part of the EGR, exhaust gas recirculation. But it's a bigger unit. It's all in one, and they ended up replacing this because check engine light was on, and then rough idle. That's another issue, is rough idle. Idle's better now with it, and also when I checked the oil was low, and it was oil low before, but this thing was, I guess, slowly failing. It didn't pull a check engine until recently, so. Under warranty, I don't know if the emissions warranty, especially in California, would cover it, being a smog-related item, but manufacturer's warranties, 50,000 miles, 4 years, 50,000 miles if I recall. I had 30,000, 29,000 something on it. So again, this was replaced under warranty, but about a $200 part, and I just want to let you know what's up. So just in case you have that issue, it's that guy. Thanks for watching.